So now we have to set up the cooler. So the first thing we have to put this screw here, and then we have to screw on the keyboard on the motherboard. So the first thing what we have to do is to take this one and place it over here, and place it here like this. Like this. And take this one, like this. This one we have to place it like this. Then this one with 3, like this. There you go. And then you can screw. And the fourth one, the same here. Then you enter like here. Like this. And then this one like this. Okay, so we have to remove this one. We have to twist it to like this, take out, and then put this on like this, up and screw like this. And this one, so we have to put it here, but we have to set up the CPU. I bought a CPU, Intel Core i7 6700K. This is the CPU, LGA 1151. So what we have to do is to remove this one, pull back and open up. Take this plastic off. Take this plastic off. And open this up. Make sure everything is okay here. And we have to check. So now after we put the CPU, make sure the CPU enter on the keys a notch for the CPU to fit here. Then we close, and it should go behind the screw here. So when you push it, it is going behind the screw, and then we lock it here. Now it's locked. Then we have to set up the cooler. Cooler is gonna go, we can use it this way. So now we have to place it here again. We have to place it here. So now we have to plug this one. This is a CPU fan connection. So we have to check on the motherboard. There should be, for example, here I can see CPU fan. No, chassis fan. So this chase has a fan. So we have to connect to this one. We have to check on the motherboard for the. Here I can see CPU fan 1. So we have to connect it here. We have to connect this way, like this. I'm gonna show again, like this. There you go. So make sure you tie it properly, like here. So I'm gonna tie I have something here. So now you make sure you tight the cable here. Okay. Now we have to set up the memory. Yes. Open them. Okay. So now the notch should match with the motherboard. So open them. We need to place it here. This way. Sorry. Like this. And then fuck. Okay. So now this one. Ready. Okay, so now the case coming with the special rubber and the screws to place the hard drive. So we have two options to place the hard drive. We can place the hard drive here on top, or we can place the hard drive here below. I prefer to place on top. So what you have to do is to enter this way. You have to make it like this. You have this way. Then you can screw it here. Okay? Like this. Then another one here. Okay, so what I have to do is to place it here. Make sure that this rubber enter here in this hole. See? Like this. Snap and push forward. Okay, so now it's good.